Hi, I'm Muhammad. In this video, I want to show you a short demo of the emergency button prototype that I just designed. Today, I'm in the Parsian Robotics lab and I will test my prototype on a warehouse robot. I just programmed a simple line following code to the robot and I will show you the emergency button in action, both in a standalone and serial mode. First, I want to show you the standalone mode. In this mode, the remote emergency button can perform without any other equipment, such as a computer or something like that. Here, if I press the emergency button, the robot stops immediately and halts every motor function. So let me release the emergency button. You can see the robot performs, and when I press the button, it halts immediately. And let me do this again. After a standalone mode, I want to show you the serial mode. In this mode, the emergency button connected to the computer using a USB port, and I just wrote a simple Qt application to control the module and send desired commands. Here it is. Okay. Here's the robot working just fine, and I press the S button on the keyboard. As you can see, the robot stops immediately, or I can just click here on stop. And if I want the robot to start its movement again, I should push the start again for 1 second. Okay. Here's the robot working well and halt. Thank you.